Welcome back. As we were working on building out this service, we came across a song that wasn't in our library, and it also wasn't in CCLI. So I'm going to use another method here to get this song into Propresenter. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the words, and only the words is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do a Control-C, or I could have just gone up here to copy to get it into the clipboard. Now I'm going to go back to Propresenter. So I just jump back there. So here we are in Propresenter. So I wasn't able to find it up here. So I'm going to go up, I'm going to click on the word File up at the top, Import, and I'm going to choose Import Text from Clipboard. It tells me that the slides are delimited by line break, that there's 2 lines per slide. That's what I do want. The template that's showing up here is not the one that I want to use for this. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to choose this template called Upper Third. That's the one that we use at church because it puts the words for the songs on the upper third of the slide, which works well when you have a little bit lower ceiling. It puts the words up a little higher, makes it a little easier for everyone to see them. So now I'm going to just slide over here and click on that picture of the template. So now the template is the one chosen there. So at this point, I can click on the word import. Now you'll see that it took the first line of the song and made it the title. The song is actually called Faithful One, however, so I'm going to just right-click that and choose Rename. Oops, let me try that again. Rename, there we go. And I just want to get rid of that last part of it, so it's just Faithful One. There. So that is now the name of the song. As I look here, though, I see I don't have this song broken up into verses yet. So I'm going to do that first. So the way that I do that, I'm going to click on that first slide. I know that's part of the first verse. So I'm going to right-click now, and I'm going to go down to Group Label. So what this does, this allows me to specify which parts of the song are for verse 1, or which slides are there for verse 1, which are choruses, that kind of thing. So I'm going to put a label on this of verse 1. Now you notice that it did the entire song. That's all right at this point. So the first one here is part of verse 1. Faithful One, so unchanging, ageless One, you're my rock of peace. Lord of all, I depend on you. I call out to you again and again. I call out to you again and again. You are my rock in times of trouble. You lift me up when I fall down. All through the storm, your love is the anchor. My hope is in you alone. That's verse 1. So here's where verse 2 starts, which is actually in this case the same as verse 1. So, but I'm going to go ahead and do it this way anyway. I'm going to say a new group starting at that point. I'm going to call it verse 2. And so there's my second verse. There's a couple of other things that we will do with this. One of them will change how the lines are broken up a little bit, and we will also be adding a background slide and a blank slide. But I'll do that in a separate video.